Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify all the parts using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Place the face frame face down on your work surface with the grooves facing upwards. Line up the L brackets so the backs are facing the groove on the back of the face frame. Use your drill to attach the L brackets. Locate the two side panels and slide them into the grooves until flush with the top and bottom of the face frame, using the rubber mallet to gently tap them into place if needed. Fasten with screws into the L brackets. When the two side panels are installed, slide the bottom panel into place, following the same steps as before to fasten with the L brackets and screws. Next, install the central shelf panel. This panel does not need to be fastened, as it will be held in place by the grooves of the side and back panels. Slide the top panel of the cabinet into place and fasten with the L brackets and screws. Once the top panel is in place, carefully place the back panel of the oven cabinet on top of the partially assembled cabinet. It should slide into the grooves of the side, top, and bottom panels. Using your nail gun, secure it with nails along the edges on both sides and top and bottom of the oven cabinet. Then, using the black sheetrock style screws, screw into the back of the oven cabinet and into the side panels. Flip the cabinet over on its back and install the toe kick with your nail gun. Pro tip: ensure that the sides of the toe kick are flush so it will be easier to install scribe or outside corner molding if you choose to do so. Insert the drawer facets into the pre-drilled holes on the back of the cabinet's box and use your drill to screw them into place. Line up the rails with the facets and the pre-drilled holes on the face frame. There will be 3 sets of holes in the front of the rails. Attach the rails with the taper-style screws into the front holes. Place the cabinet's doors face down on your work surface and apply the included rubber door bumpers. These will help prevent denting the finish when we attach the doors to the face frame. Insert the soft close hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of each door and use your drill to fasten them with the tapered edge screws. Note: be careful to use the correct screws. If longer screws are used, they might go through the front of the door. Open the hinges and align them with the pre-drilled holes into which you will fasten them with the shorter pan-style screws. Now that the doors are installed, let's move on to the drawers. Locate the back and 2 side drawer panels. Align the dovetail joints of the side panels into the back panel and push them together. Push firmly on the boards or gently tap them with your mallet to ensure they are firmly connected. When the boards are securely in place, use your nail gun to reinforce the bond. Slide the bottom panel of the drawer into place before installing the drawer front. Once the drawer box is fully assembled, turn the box over so the bottom panel is facing upwards. Align the drawer clips with the pre-drilled holes and attach them using the screws provided. To install the drawers, fully extend the rails and place the drawer on top, then close the drawer. The final panels will help create a platform for your oven to sit on and must be custom cut to your oven specifications. The 1x2 panels will be installed against the sides of the cabinet just below the oven opening and screwed into the sidewalls with the black sheetrock style screws. Once these are installed, lay the 3/4 thick panel on top and nail it into place all the way around. Congratulations for completing your assembly. Stand back and enjoy your beautiful new cabinets.